Hi everyone, it's Lauren
and Caitlin,
and we are the Prom Girl social team.
And right now we are at our Rated PG launch party event.
We're really excited to be hosting this awesome event. We have so many fun activations.
We have so many of our PG queens, some new PG queens, and friends of ours that are coming, so we can't wait to see them all. But first, let's go take them around.
Yeah, let's go. So we have this amazing photo booth here. It's so fun, it's huge, and you get to see yourself. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So there's a flash, it says Rated PG with a red carpet. It's amazing, and I'll show you an example of what we did. Yes, we are.
I'm Caitlin.
I'm Pilot.
And I'm Brighton. And we can't wait for you guys to see this collection.
So stay tuned to watch.
Hi, Prom Girl. Hey guys, I'm Ashley. And I'm Amelie. And we're having so much fun here at the Rated PG Prom Girl Party. Woo!
I'm here at the Rated PG launch party. It's so beautiful. This house is beautiful. All the decorations are beautiful. So make sure you stay tuned to see all of the cute photos and videos from today's event.
Okay, if anyone was looking for us, guess where you can find us at all night?
The candy bar.
Hi Prom Girl, it's Brooke.
Jake.
Teala. We love you guys.
Love you.
One word is like boom, to do it. The actual I always think of that one. I never heard that song in my head. I always have that one. I always know where the guy who's like, what's up guys? We're in the Prom Girl TikTok bathroom. It's so lit. Oh my gosh.
I am here at the Prom Girl Rated PG event. It has been so much fun. Everybody's having a great time and the dresses are beautiful. I can't wait for you all to see this live.
Hey guys, so we are here at the Prom Girl party. We're having so much fun.
Yeah.
We're here at the photo booth.
We're at the photo booth, which is so cute. So many photos and gifts.
We have all of these lovely
Look at this
photos.
quality. Can't wait to frame it and put it up in my room.
Quality.
Quality content.
Quality
right
content.
Here. We love
Stunning queens.
Oh, just wait till the pics come out on Instagram.
Oh, just
though.
wait.
Just wait for the Instagram post and the TikToks. Stay tuned.
And the TikTok.
In the bathroom.
In the bathroom.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wait,
Got a blast. Got a blast. Got a jet.
Got a blast. Bye guys. Hi guys, it's me Doug, and you're watching Prom Girl. Stay tuned.
Hi, my name is Nick Benzibango and we're at the Prom Girl event.
Hi, I'm Maddie Solowitz and I'm having so much fun. Hi, I'm Lisa Cat.
So we just wrapped our launch party.
We had so much fun.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Bye.